Big dog here, guys.
May aso.
Ayan, Dart. That one is already...
Malunggay yan?
Yeah, that's a malunggay. Don't be afraid, Katse.
Hindi, tumingin kasi ako dun sa ano. Tapos, pag ganun ko, andyan na yung aso. Ito maganda dito, mamaya magpababa.
Naalala ko, ang sabi ng amo ko nung pumunta kami ng China. Kumain kami ng ano, ng sugar cane. Oh, Ann, do you know what is this? Yeah, I know that. That's sugar cane.
Ayan,
Oh,
basura.
we have like that. We have like that in the Philippines also. Ang ganyan sa kanila. Sa kanila sila naman na magtatapon natin.
Ano, yung ating stairs again.
Ayan, ang
Uy, andyan.
pinakamagandang
Hindi ka magbe-video, Sel.
pinakamagandang part. Mana nga dati maditay na pa
Ano ka,
na.
tapos i-post mo.
Aji nga nagaduti
Pwede siyang lagyan sa
gulay.
reels. Pwede mo siyang lagyan, pero...
Ay, gitay ba na?
Hantay pa ba na pananang?
Pero seconds lang.
Ayan, guys, ang
Pero seconds lang.
ang ano, ang dagat na, guys, makikita mo. Ayan, mga ano, nag-hiking sila, guys. Talaga namang sisipag nila eh. Kasisipag eh. Ayan, guys, ang dagat na, guys. Be, ate. Ah? Yes. Yes, we're going to swim here. You want? Oh my gosh. Yes, sure.
But I have no extra.
I think we go there.
Tara, ano tayo?
We go down there, not here. We go down there pa.
There, not
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Because I want to collect stone.
Oh, but there's no stone there. It's just sand.
Here, it's for the panghilod.
Oh, I'm not hilod-hilod din kasi.
It's for panghilod.
Kanya kayong vlogging girl.
Yeah, say hello. Hello, guys, to my vlog. Hi.
Walang yata, wala pa yata yung kanilang sasakyan ng mga yun ah.
Ayan, guys, napakasarap ng hangin, guys.
Parang wala pa yata.
Ang sarap tumira dito, guys. Bahay na lang talaga ang kulang, guys. Talaga naman.
Ang sarap dito.
Ang lamig, guys.
Toilet kayo. Want to go toilet? Have toilet here.
Oh no, I just wanted to go to the toilet.
I want also there. Saucy.
I went there.
Mag-ano, pwede man bababa.
Yeah, it's okay. But it's up to you, da.
Ha?
Swim now, we will wait you.
Yeah.
Why don't you dip your feet there?
I will dip and then I will...
With your shoes.
I will dip only. I will dip.
With your shoes.
I want also to go there to go down and then
Papunta talaga sa buyo-buyo.
Alin?
Di ba, minsan may kasimbahan.
wash my face there. Oh, it's so refreshing. Let's gonna wash our face there. So refreshing.
Pero punta tayo doon. Doon tayo bababa.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's proceed. Ha? Let's proceed.
Manang Maricel, di ba ijay tayo bumabay de? Ijay? Hanito, di ba? But you can go down, Katya, if you want to.
Yeah.
But it's too hard for you to...
I cannot climb.
Yeah, that's why... Oh, there! There's a stair there!
Bakit kasi pinanganak tayong matatangkad?
No, it's better in the sand.
No, there, the other side.
Yeah, there's a sand
okay,
there.
And then your feet will abot-abot na yung bato-bato.
Oh, this one you want?
You don't need to worry already. Go na.
While they're not yet still here.
Doon na lang. Ay, doon kasi pwedeng... Uy, mag-ano tayo doon, yung parang maglakad na naka-ano, slow.
Tinay na namin yun.
Tapos
Tinay na namin yun. Oh?
Doon kami.
doon ba yun?
Yeah. They are too matagal. Are we going to go down fast?
Oh, go down muna kayo dyan.
Let's go. Go down.